Wednesday, February the 8th. Heading home. I'm still south of Eureka. Lots of rain. It's lightening up now all of a sudden. Oh well. About halfway between Orica and Klamath. Got some nice mist at the moment. I've got my smartphone in a smartphone holder now, attached to the windshield, because from January the 1st of this year, it is now illegal to be filming with your phone while you're driving. So, we want to obey the law. Absolutely. Last stretch coming into Crescent City. There have been 4 landslides on 101 from north of Garberville. One of them just a couple minutes ago by Last Chance Grade. They were cleaning it off. We got held up for a few minutes there. Tough life. Even in paradise. No messing around here. By the way, it's 3:30 in the afternoon and pretty dark. One of the one-lane construction zones where the west side of the road, south side of the road is falling into the ocean, and they're trying to build it back up for a while. On 199 on the way to the Hyuchi Bridge. So far, I'm very happy with my phone holder.